All right, make ready. On my command, fire! One. Good job. Now, also make sure you're changing your feet. There you go. Don't rush it, make sure you do everything right. Good job. Take the knee. Good. Side alignment, trigger squeeze. Take a knee. Exactly, like I said. That's why we make the mistakes here. Set your stance. Up and safety. Three, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Fire. That right bang. That magazine after. Good. And draw, get on target, quiet your sights, slowly pull that trigger. There you go. Reset, quiet your target, and slowly pull that trigger. There you go. Good job. Alright, shooter, this is the last drill of the class. Make it look good, make it look pretty. Alright, shooter ready? On my command, fire! 2, 4, 5, 6.